Seriously True, powered by Seriously Strange.
20 dissected objects that revealed incredible compositions inside. In everyday life, we use or come in contact with a multitude of objects, the exact function and composition of which we probably do not know. For example, have you ever seen the interior of a car, typewriter, or pearl? In this gallery you will see objects from another point of view that will reveal the hidden side of things, so here are 20 images of objects cut in half. Number 1. This is how space vehicles absorb hits from debris. Number 2. A poppy cut in half. Number 3. Have you ever wondered how typewriters work? Apparently it's not as easy as it sounds. Number 4. The part of the branch of a tree where fern had grown. Number 5. A vase where several layers of flower bulbs have been planted. Number 6. The tail of the rattlesnake is made of keratin, the same substance that makes up human fingernails. Number 7. A huge wasp nest now abandoned. Number 8. A submarine power cable before being placed in the ocean. Number 9. A scanner laid bare without an external structure. Number 10. This is how a gasoline lighter is made. Number 11. The interior of a cactus. Number 12. A fragment of the Fucang meteorite. It is estimated that asteroid is 4.5 billion years old. Number 13. Section of the trunks of a banana tree. Number 14. This New Zealand rock has been split perfectly in half. Number 15. This is how fireworks display is made up inside. Number 16. Part of a real war chariot. Number 17. The composition of one of the many metal cables that support the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, USA. Number 18. The section of an elegant Land Rover all-terrain vehicle. Number 19. Have you ever wondered how lenses and cameras are made? Number 20. A pearl is in fact nothing more than a small grain of sand or other microorganisms covered by the secretions of certain mollusks. Thanks for watching. Press the like button if you like the video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Comments welcome.